Hey, what's going on everyone? Josh here, and today I'm going to break down how to earn instant and passive income. I've been sticking with this for the past 3 years, and the reason being is there's a lot of companies out there that come and go. There's a lot of companies that fold. I like this because it's instant payments and it's passive income, meaning I get paid on other people's efforts. Every person that pays me, their second sale rolls up to me, and that's it. That opens up a new pay line, and I get their second sale, and their second sale, and their second sale. So that's why I love this program right here. It's been around for a while now, and there's 4 different levels. There used to be only the $1,000 level. I like this right here because it brought in serious people who are looking to make serious money. This would be considered high ticket, but there are programs out there that have tickets that are a lot higher than the $1,000 level here. So if you can't afford the $1,000 level, then you get in at the $500 level. If you can't afford the $500 level, you get in at the $250 level. If you can't afford the $250 level, then you get in at the $100 level. So you have 4 different levels that people can come in. The higher the level, the more products you get, and you would also get the lower levels included. So it's better to come in at the higher level from the gate, because everyone that can't afford the higher level or claim they can't afford the higher level, they can come in at the lower levels and you will collect those payments. Now, although a lot of people may come in at the $250 or the $100 level, when you get signups and you have your second sale that comes in, or let's say even your first sale, let's say your first sale comes in and they come in at a $1,000 level, you're still going to make $100 because you're qualified at that $100 level. So you're not going to miss out on any money. So it doesn't matter what level you come in. I recommend that you come in at this level. So just 10 sales at this level can earn you some serious money, and you can do this pretty fast because there's ways you can share this without bugging your friends or family. This is one of the ways I share it, is giving away merchandise to people. I share with you how I give it away to them, where I give it away. Simple way. A stylus with a simple message on there, daily cash on autopilot, paywithjosh.com. There's a ballpoint pen as well. So a very good product. 5 LED flashlight. This is something that I give away to people. They can remember me. They always have this attached to their keys, so they're always able to go back to the website and see what it is that I do to earn instant cash. But I want to show you guys the power of this. Just 10 sales in a $1,000 level is $10,000. Just 20 sales in the $500 level is $10,000, and so on. Okay, 40 sales, and then you have 100 sales. But this right here by far is one of the best things that I found out there. So you want to be able to multiply your income and do this with simplicity. I do this from my computer and smartphone. I don't have to talk to a lot of people. Inside of this program, you're going to have your website. Okay, let me see if I have this pulled up right now. All right, no, I have my Max Bounty stuff pulled up. But inside of here, you're going to have your website, you're going to have your capture pages, you're going to have your follow-up messages. So there's no way you're not going to be able to make money. I want to go right here. I want to make this 3 to 5K per month. You're going to have a full website. You're going to have training. You're going to be able to get help from me. I'm going to be helping you one-on-one inside of this. One of the ways I advertise is I stamp my currency, as you guys can see right there. But you're going to get a bunch of products. I want to go right over here and just show you guys. You're going to have a full website. Reveal the secret to earning $100 to $1,000 instant daily commission. So you can get this every single day if you want to. All right. Your follow-up messages is going to follow up with people. All right. As long as you're planting the seeds, doing what we share with you, you're going to be able to get paid. Now, earning $10,000 with just 10 sales in this is great, because there's some people that are out there doing this in a week. Okay, so it's whatever you do. It's plenty of ways to advertise. All right, so $10,000, that's just 10 sales right there. 10 sales inside of a simple program. So there's no way you can't get started. There's no way you can fail with doing this. This is why I've been sticking to this for the past 3 years. Is because it's cash on demand pretty much. It's just really sharing with people, letting them know exactly how to do this, where to share this. There's plenty of places I share this to get people over to my website. Okay, they get all the information and they can decide if they want to get started for a small cost. The minimum is $100. If you can't get $100, let me know. I got other ways you can actually get paid so you can save up that $100 that you're going to need inside of this program, or that $250 or that $500 or that $1,000. And these are one-time payments here, so you're not needing to pay this over and over again. The only thing you're paying over and over again is that higher level admin fee, and that's yearly, and you can break that up into 4 quarters, which is a small fee to pay to earn over $10,000 with just 10 sales. That's about time. If you're watching this on YouTube, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video. Click on the link in the description below to get the full details on how I'm earning instant payments daily. Take care.